Hi, I'm Pedro Plascencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in South Monterey County in the Bryson and Sperry area for a tour of this 20-acre property that's really well set up with good infrastructure that will give you a jump start in the development of your rural country home. Let's go have a look. Here we come up to the shop. It's a new shop. Not at the very top of the property, but close. Nice elevated spot. Sorry for the crunch of this gravel, but the gravel's great here. Good all-weather access. And where I'm walking now would be a great spot for a new home with views of there's Tierra Redonda Mountain, or Tierra Redonda Mountain, those of you guys who want to hear my Spanish, and the San Lucia Mountains in the distance. The shop has power. It's approximately 20 by 25 feet. And there's this concrete pad. By the way, the shop itself has concrete foundation and pad inside. So finished concrete. And here you have this finished pad. The road throughout the property go in different directions. You go from the gate there to the north part of the property. This road takes us to the shop, and then this one to the accessory structures. The property is fully fenced. Here you can see we're along the east edge of the property. So this is a east fence line. There's a road that cuts through here. There is the well house. Here we've been walking along that road, going more towards the southwest corner. And here's where you see it opens up. So there's a few lower acres, pretty flat and usable. There's good access throughout the property with these roads. And then if we come up here, just off the road, near the entry gate, you'll see some accessory structures, good for storage. The land is fairly usable, not very steep, some sloped areas, and mostly grassland, some low-lying brush, and you have a few mature oak trees. The property is 20 acres, about an hour outside of the city of Paso Robles. Has a well and a PG&E meter. If you'd like to learn more about this property and others like it on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County or South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.